In the grand story of space exploration, we've always had a reliable partner by our side: technology. And one of the most exciting partners in this adventure is artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is like our trusty co-pilot, helping us navigate the vast cosmos and uncover its mysteries. In this video, we'll take a journey through the stars and discover how AI is lending a helping hand in the space industry. Before we dive into the AI aspect, let's set the stage. The space industry is all about exploring, studying, and making use of outer space. It includes launching rockets, satellites, and spacecraft, along with sending astronauts on daring missions. We gaze at distant stars, study planets, and even search for signs of life beyond Earth. It's an exciting field, but it's also a challenging one. Now, why do we need AI in the space industry? Imagine trying to operate a spacecraft millions of miles away from Earth. It's like steering a ship through uncharted waters, except these waters are even more mysterious and dangerous. Here are a few reasons why AI is our ideal companion in this cosmic journey. Autonomous decision-making. Spacecraft often face situations where they have to make quick decisions. AI can help them do this without waiting for instructions from Earth. It's like having a clever autopilot that can handle unexpected challenges. Handling data overload. In space, we gather heaps of data from satellites and telescopes. AI can sift through this data, spotting important discoveries or unusual events that might have gone unnoticed otherwise. Predictive maintenance. Space equipment needs to stay in tip-top shape. AI can predict when something might break, allowing us to fix it before it becomes a problem, just like a mechanic spotting issues in your car before they get serious. Mission planning. Every space mission needs a plan. AI can figure out the best way to get from point A to point B, manage resources, and schedule tasks efficiently, just like a master strategist. Space exploration. When we send robots to explore planets or asteroids, AI helps them avoid obstacles and make smart decisions. It's like having a robot friend who knows where to step and where not to. Now, let's look at how AI and space exploration work together like old pals. Autonomous spacecraft. Think about a spacecraft like a space-traveling car. Just as self-driving cars navigate our roads, autonomous spacecraft navigate the cosmos. They use AI to make decisions on their own. For example, when a spacecraft approaches a planet or asteroid, AI helps it adjust its course and speed to avoid collisions. It's like having a smart driver behind the wheel, ensuring a safe journey. Imagine you have a gigantic puzzle made of stars, planets, and galaxies. That's what astronomers face when they look at the night sky. AI can help them put the puzzle together. It processes enormous amounts of data from telescopes and space probes, identifying interesting celestial objects and patterns. It's like having a cosmic detective who can spot the most exciting clues in the night sky. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance. Spacecraft are like our superheroes in space. But even heroes need a checkup now and then. AI acts as a doctor, regularly examining the spacecraft's health. It predicts when parts might wear out or malfunction and alerts us so we can fix them. This way, our heroes stay in top condition for their missions. Mission planning. Space missions are like grand adventures. You need a plan to make them successful. It calculates the best routes, manages resources like fuel and power, and schedules tasks efficiently. It's like having a master planner who ensures every step of the mission goes according to plan. Space exploration. When we send robots to explore other planets or moons, they face tricky situations. When we send robots to explore other planets or moons, they face tricky situations. They need to decide where to go and what to study. AI acts as their wise guide, helping them make decisions. For instance, if a rover on Mars encounters a rough patch of terrain, AI can tell it to take a different path. They need to decide where to go and what to study. Space telescopes. Imagine a giant space telescope like the James Webb Space Telescope. It gazes deep into the universe, searching for secrets of the cosmos. But it can't do this on its own. AI plays the role of the telescope's assistant, helping it point at the right objects and adjust its instruments for the best observations. It's like having a skilled assistant for an astronomer. In our cosmic journey, AI is like our trusty companion, helping us navigate the vast expanse of space, discover its secrets, and make it more accessible. It acts as our co-pilot, scientist, mechanic, and guide, making space exploration safer, more efficient, and full of exciting discoveries. As technology advances, our partnership with AI in the space industry will continue to expand, allowing us to reach even greater heights in our quest to understand the universe. So, as we gaze at the stars, let's remember the silent but vital role of AI in our ongoing adventure among the cosmos.